Hello, my subscribers. We're here with another Yu-Gi-Oh! Fake Yu-Gi-Oh! Card opening. And it was a box within a box, but I'm really excited to look through these. Okay. And don't sit here saying that these are real, because these cards are not real. These Yu-Gi-Oh! Cards are not real. These character cards aren't real. They're fake. They came on all the pack, because if you're saying that this character card is real, you're saying the whole stack of fake cards is real, okay? And they're not. Okay, so we have Joey Wheeler, Pegasus, Kaiba, Pegasus, Kaiba, Pegasus, Joey, Big Koala, Terror King Salmon. That's actually Dark Magician of Chaos. That's funny. Got everything right except the name. Summon Skull. Jinzo. I like these fakes, they're fun. BLS, the Blackluster Soldier and Boy of the Beginning. If this stack falls, I'm gonna die. Gato Guardiano. No, it doesn't really say Gato Guardiano. It's Gate Guardian. Red Eyes. I want to say this is the only real card that I've came across so far. This is real. They probably slipped it in on accident, but this is a fake card lot, so these all came from the same fake packs. Dark Magician, not Dark Magician, it's Blue Eyes White Dragon. Oh, they fail. Oh, this is actually a really cool fake. Continuing on, Blue Eyes, Shinato, Platin. Yeah, don't argue with me saying that these are real, because they're not. I've been specializing in counterfeit figures, Pokemon cards, Yu-Gi-Oh! Cards, DVDs, bootlegs of everything, and I love looking up their origins and whatnot. I know from a distance or maybe from the video that these might look real, but in person they're glossy and oversaturated, and this is a good example. Also, the stars are sharp, and the stars are not sharp for English cards that are authentic. Ultimate Obedient Fiend. Also, if you use these cards, they will scratch easy. They're just so cheap. And they slide around easily because of how glossy they are. Yes, I probably will sell some of these if there's someone who's willing to buy them or trade or something, probably, because I have so many. Like, I just have so many. It's just kind of, it's gonna be on a new episode of my unhealthy obsession or hoarding or something, I bet. Okay, again, Ryokoki, that is not its card name. I'm gonna start a new stack here. Though I'm very pleased with this, the seller had an issue with the listing. I bought it and suddenly they're like, oh, there's certain cards in here that I sold. I'm like, bruh. I'm like, that's false advertising. So I haggled him and got less. And Seto Kaiba. Again, not a real card. I mean, real, it exists in your hand as a physical item, but it's not a genuine card that you can use. So don't argue with me saying that it's a real card, because Konami did not license those cards. They didn't print them. Someone else did illegally. Black Tyranno? No, that is not its name. I know there's some YouTubers on here that want to argue with me, but these are all fake cards. Except that one Red Eyes that I've came across. If you want me to do a video as to why these cards are fake and comparing the real ones, gladly, because thou shalt not be condemned to fakeism. Serpent Night Dragon. This is cool. I had never seen a fake Serpent Night Dragon like this. I love Ciario. I had that card when I was little. And Serpent Night Dragon. Old cards. Gustav. Big koala. Now we got a god card. Again, this is a fake anime version. The real ones, the real colored anime versions do not have the regular backing that's still red and stuff. The effect ones have it, but they're not red like this. They're the regular colors. Seto Kaiba. Seto Kaiba. Again, fake cards. People trying to sell these on eBay for over $1,000, and I have how many of them? Good luck. You're a joke. Please don't sit there saying it's real, because it's not an authentic card. These are all from the same packs. You're dumb if you want to sit there and say Konami and Kazuki Takahashi drew them. He did not. My last name is legally Takahashi now, so... I will ramble on about how annoyed I am by people who... Continuing on with the annoyance. I'm kidding. I had to keep freaking deleting shit from my phone. I have the new LG Android phone or whatever. And it's so much better than the other phones I had, so I'm glad. Kiosk command. I didn't even count how many cards this is, to be honest. But I know it's obviously over 100. Some of these are upside down. Yeah, but I got trolled by someone that was trying to sit there and tell me that it's fake. I'm like, bruh. Or that he was trying to sit there and say it was real. I'm like, bruh. Okay, let's start a new stack here. I have so many fucking cards. God damn! Shit. For any of you guys watching this, I applaud you for dealing with my sloppiness and my lengthy videos. I love Yu-Gi-Oh cards. I love Pokemon cards. Those Pokemon cards are somewhere. I've moved for like the 500th time. Someday, if I can stop being a hoarder, I will afford my own hoarding house. Ooh. Mirage Knight. This is just so many duplicates of the same card. Honestly, if those Yu-Gi-Oh cards were real, those character cards, I'd be rich. Volcurons. Ooh. Perfectly Ultimate Great Moth. Ritual cards. They need to add more support for ritual cards. That'd be cool if they brought them back, like more of them. Of course, you have all these new cards and stuff, and then I guess they're obsolete, but ritual cards were the shit back in the day. You have your fusion monsters and your ritual cards. It was fun. And now we got a 5-headed God Dragon. Of course, in the Japanese version, it's FGD, 5 God Dragon. 5-headed God Dragon. So that's what I'm used to. I'm not used to the English one, 5-headed dragon. It was always 5-headed God Dragon. They probably removed it because of religious reasons, because it said the word God in it, probably. Everyone gets offended. I don't know. But I'm so used to FGD. Kind of blurred out for a second. Sorry about that. Getting into Master Dragon Knight. Like my binder will not fit all these cards. I need a big ass binder. And sell off some of these. Might as well, because I have so many freaking duplicates. But I do like the character cards and the Yugioh cards, or whatever original fake cards there are. Call me selfish. I do love them. This was just pure luck again. I don't know how I end up getting so much rare stuff. Yu-Gi-Oh! Is not the only thing I like. Again, I love Dragon Ball Z, Pokemon, Inuyasha a lot. I haven't mentioned Inuyasha on this channel. You know why? It's because I have a channel for Inuyasha, so that's probably why. And, you know, that's my life. I also really love The Legend of Zelda. So, to be honest, up there... Oh, I got Yami Yugi too. Cool. Nice. Seven Yamis. Now we got obelisks. I wish that this person didn't have the cards like this, or else, you know, raisins. And that was the last one, so yeah, I ended up getting 4 piles of it. Shit. Taki mushrooms. I'm sorry for the lengthy videos. I just have so many goddamn, fake Yu-Gi-Oh cards. And, I want to say I probably ended up pulling 30 of those character cards. Quote-unquote pulling, because it's a stack, it's not a pack. But, again, the fake Yu-Gi-Oh cards, all of these are fake except that one Red Eyes. So, that's fine. But yeah. Big ass stack. Big @ $$ stack. Yes, thank you for watching.